We're continuing to see some pretty soggy weather out there, but you know what? It's warm, and that's a big change from last week. Mid-40s right now, all the way down the I-5 corridor from Portland, all the way down into Medford. As you head out to the coast, mid-40s there as well, about 45 for those of you near Coos Bay. Over into Central Oregon, it's not 40s, but it's still above freezing, mid to upper 30s for those of you in Bend and Redmond. And we do drop below freezing when you head all the way over to the eastern and to the southern part of the state. Also, it's below freezing right up over the Cascades, where temperatures have dropped down into the mid to upper 20s overnight, and it's continued to stay below freezing even during the day. Snow piling up inch by inch here, especially heavy from the central into the northern Oregon Cascades and up across the Washington Cascades as well, where they've seen over 3 feet of snow here in the past 48 hours. Winter storm warning is still in effect until 6 p.m. tonight, because we're going to continue to see that snow piling up. Right now, it's falling at about 2 inches per hour from Santiam Pass up toward Mount Hood. So you definitely want to be prepared for heavy snow and even blowing snows. We're seeing some strong winds at the same time. Now, when you head further south into Lane County and Douglas County, the snowfall not as heavy, but still very impressive. We're talking 18 inches over the past 48 hours up at Willamette Pass. Winter weather advisory in effect until 6 p.m. tonight. And this is for those Cascades of Lane County, Douglas County, and as you head down into Klamath County as well. So regardless of where you're headed, if you're headed over Highway 26, 58, or 20, you need to be prepared for that heavy snow, and where chains are definitely required at this point. Now, the reason for the heavy precipitation is we're seeing this jet stream right on top of us, strong northwest flow, picking up those weak disturbances over the Pacific, plenty of moisture to go with it as well, and then obviously those cooler temperatures. And so that's going to continue to be the case here all day today. Also, interesting situation with the current pattern that we're under, because we're seeing that strong northwesterly flow. What happens is those winds are forced right up over the higher terrain, whether it be the Coast Range or the Cascades. And when it's forced up like that, that creates some extra physics, some extra orographics that helps to squeeze out some more moisture. And that's why the heaviest precipitation is over the Cascades. Second is over the Coast Range, and then the valley and the coast actually seeing much less rainfall just because we're so much lower in elevation. So those showers will continue all day today, but then the entire jet stream is going to start to slide east. Nice little ridge of high pressure moving in for the second half of the week. That'll dry us out as we head into the weekend. So for the coast, still nice and warm, upper 40s and low 50s out there today. You'll continue to see those rain showers off and on all the way through this evening, and winds staying from the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Low 50s on Wednesday with just a few leftover showers, drying out as we head into Thursday, and then drier and warmer as we head into the weekend. You see mid 50s there. For the Umpqua Basin, we're talking upper 40s today. Rain showers off and on. Winds will be pretty light for you. As we head into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, definitely drying out, staying right at about 50 degrees. Overnight lows falling down into the mid 30s. For the Cascades, we're looking at an additional 4 to 8 inches. Also some gusty winds as well, up to 30 miles per hour. Snow level only getting to 4,000 feet by later tonight. So again, be prepared for extreme winter conditions if you're headed that way. Central Oregon getting above freezing this afternoon. Just some light snow showers for you, but also pretty breezy. And you will also dry out as we head into the weekend. And for the valley, we're talking upper 40s, scattered showers today, isolated showers Wednesday, and then we dry out as we head into the weekend, and those highs staying in the mid 40s.